The Lokk latch is a general-purpose gravity latch with a stylish design and tough, rust-proof components. It replaces old-fashioned padlock and latch combinations with a key-lockable gate latch in one stylish unit. Lokk latch is easy to install and can be fitted to left or right hinged gates in a combination of materials, including metal, vinyl and wood posts. There is also a model specifically designed to fit round posts that is ideal for chain link gates. Special side fixing legs provide extra strength to ensure reliable latch operation on all gate styles. They also provide immediate alignment on the corners of the gate and fence post, making installation even simpler. An optional external access kit provides lockable push-button access that allows you to operate the latch from outside the fence or gate.